So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you can tell, today's video is kind of a unboxing stroke reveal. Yes, it's one of my Christmas presents, but what I've decided to do is rather than sit down and talk about everything, I'm kind of just going to split it into videos. So today's video is an unboxing of one of the pair of sneakers that I got for Christmas, which I am obsessed with. It was something that I'd always wanted. I always wanted a pair of Gucci trainers, but I didn't really want the chunky trainers. I didn't really want anything with the traditional B's or the Ace sneakers. So when I came across these, I was like, wow, these are beautiful. So I hope you enjoy watching the video, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask about the trainers. I will link everything below in the description box for you guys, and I hope you have a fantastic... I really hope that everyone is enjoying this beautiful Christmas period that we are all celebrating, and I hope everyone has a fantastic start to the year and a fantastic year as well. So without further ado, I'll leave you guys to continue viewing the unboxing of my new trainers, which they are beautiful, guys. I love them. Enjoy. I just had to step in and just say, wow, they're just beautiful. I just love the fact that they're so simple. They're just chic, and I love the red. I think the red makes them look more luxurious. I love the fact that they're plain, but the red will add like a pop of color to any outfit. You can wear this with jeans, you can wear them with trousers, you can wear them with a dress. I just think they are perfect. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't yet subscribed, could you please perhaps consider hitting the subscribe button, because that would mean the world to me. And also, just to let you guys know, I will do an actual official review on all the unboxings that I will be doing coming in the next few days, weeks. But till then, thank you, bye.